Welcome, today I am with Chevrolet Cruze key and I will show you how you can open it and replace your battery. So at first you have to open your key by tapping on this button, and after that we have to put our finger between these two parts and we have to remove this one. So take a look. Do it gently, try to don't break anything, and as you can see here we got the battery, so we can easily remove it and then put it back just like that. And as you can see, the process is very simple, and after that we can put it back. So that's how we can make it. I hope that I help you, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.